Fall prevention lady here, and it's time we do some exercises for our arms using the resistance band. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to work the front of the muscles. So we're going to build our Popeyes, so we're able to pick things up. Now, to do that, what I need you to do is you're going to grab your resistance band, slide your hands towards the end, palms are up, and you're going to grab it there. You're going to secure your foot below the band with the band opened up fully on the foot. Put the foot down. Right now your elbows are just a hinge. That means they're going to stick right into your sides. Thumbs are on the top and your wrists are locked. Curl up, come down nice and slow. Curl them up with a pause, come down nice and slow. Alright, so to be honest, this is a little, I could probably go a little bit tougher, but maybe I won't because I'm going to try and talk during this, but you can see it's nice, slow, and controlled. My elbows do not leave my sides. That really forces the muscle, the bicep, to work and secures and protects your shoulders. All right, so we're going to come on up. Nice tension always on the band. Let's get 3 more. 2 more. Down, up, and pause right here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that works the muscles in the front. So now what I want to do is we want to work the angel wings, or the muscles in the back of the arm. So for this one, the triceps, we don't have quite as much as a range of motion, so we're going to be going from 90 straight to a straight line. So for this one, not a big distance between the hands. All right, so I'm going to wrap that, and then I'm going to wrap the band around my palm, not my fingers. Because if I wrap it around the fingers, it can crunch them and that doesn't feel so good. So what we're going to do is we have it wrapped around the palms. I'm going to take my right hand, put it up here, pledge allegiance to the flag. All right? As you notice, as I turn to the side, my elbow is directly below my shoulder. My wrist is locked straight, knuckles facing forward, and I'm just going to extend it straight down. And then bend, extend, and then bend, extend, and bend. So this is a really good exercise. You lock that elbow out right there. That's what really uses your tricep muscle. So you want to make sure that your resistance allows you to get your arm all the way straight down to the floor. Right here isn't good. I want your knuckles all the way down to the floor. All right, and you're squeezing, you pause there. So here we're doing slow and controlled, all right, with the elbow not moving the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple fast ones. So I'm going to hold it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hold it down. That's a great finisher. Really forces the blood into that muscle. So we're holding that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now we're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. So left hand to the right shoulder. Right elbow is tucked in, right in line with the shoulder. Probably shorten this up a little bit more. Extend and bend. Extend and then bend. So these are slow and controlled. All right. Knuckles going all the way down to the floor. Make sure you have a good amount of tension on there where you're really starting to feel the struggle about last 3 or 4 reps. All right. So you want to be able to do about 10 to 15 of these. And you're squeezing as you extend. Okay. I'm going to hold this here. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 5 fast ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Excellent exercise for the arms. So take your little resistance band with you. Carry it anywhere. Take it to work. Do a couple of these at your break. And you're really getting some good exercise sizes for the muscles in your arms. So you have nice arm muscles, be able to pick yourself up from the floor and look good in sleeveless shirts. Okay, this is the Fall Prevention Lady. I hope you enjoyed today's arm exercise routine, and I'll talk to you later.